guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy, fast, and family-friendly dinners in the Instapot. My first recipe is beef tips. First thing we're going to do is to cut a small onion. The next thing you want to do is to cut a piece of beef into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to turn my Instapot on to saute and put about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of garlic in my Instapot. I'm going to add my onions. And I'm going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Onion and garlic has been sauteing for a couple minutes. I'm going to add my beef into my Instapot. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. A teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1 packet of onion seasoning soup, 1 packet of a brown gravy mix, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, cups of beef broth, and 1/2 cup of red wine. If you do not want to use wine, you can substitute for another 1/2 cup of beef broth. I'm going to give this a stir. Now I'm going to press cancel on my Instapot. Make sure that it is on pressure. Then I'm going to come down here to meat and stew, and I'm going to cook this for 55 minutes. And then I'm going to press start. Instapot has been cooking for 55 minutes. I'm going to let it naturally release and then dinner will be done. I have paired my beef tips with some smashed potatoes and a side salad. To start my pork adobo, I'm going to cut 1 onion. About 1.5 pounds of pork loin here, and I'm going to cut this into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to turn my Instapot on to saute and put about 2 tablespoons of oil in the Instapot. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic into my Instapot. And also my onions. And I'm going to give this a stir and saute for 2 to 5 minutes. Now that my onion and garlic has been sauteing for a couple minutes, I'm going to add my pork. And I'm going to give this a stir. cooking my pork for about 5 minutes, I want to add a half a cup of water, a half a cup of white vinegar, a half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 bay leaves. I want to give this a stir to mix well. At this point, I want to put my lid on, put it into pressure, press cancel, put it on meat for 45 minutes, and press start. My pork adobo has been cooking for 45 minutes and I am letting my Instapot naturally release. I have some boiled eggs that I'm going to put into my pork adobo. And then I'm going to turn my Instapot back onto saute. And I have 1/3 cup of water to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to put my slurry into my Instapot. And then I am going to let it boil until it thickens. I am serving my pork adobo with some rice, some green beans, and some nana bread. Third dish in my Instapot is my sweet barbecue meatball noodle dish. My sweet barbecue meatball noodles, I will turn my Instapot on saute, press start, and I'll put about a tablespoon of butter in my Instapot. My butter is melted. I am going to put my meatballs in to my Instapot, and I am going to cook these for about 5 minutes. My meatballs have been sauteing for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to add 6 ounces of egg noodles. I'm going to mix that well. I'm also going to put about a half a cup of grape jelly and also a half a cup of barbecue sauce. I'm going to mix this well. Put enough broth to cover the noodles. And I'm going to give this another stir. Everything mixed in my Instapot, I am going to press cancel. And I'm going to put my lid on my Instapot and make sure that it's to pressure. And now I'm going to put meat stew for 5 minutes. And press start. My Instapot has been cooking for 5 minutes. I want to do a fast release. I am serving my sweet barbecue meatball noodles with some carrots and some garlic bread. I hope these 3 videos has inspired you to get out your Instapot and try some new dinners for your family. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.